Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge browser with artificial intelligence app in your Android phone and iOS. So this is really gonna short and easy tutorial for you. Just watch the video till end, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm using Android, then that's why I'm going to click Play Store app. So you have to click Play Store app, and you can also download it from App Store. Then search here Microsoft Edge web browser, and then you can see this option, Microsoft Edge browse with AI. So here is some read, allow translation, file transfer, personalize, and privacy protected. So you can see 4.5 ratings and 50 million plus people already downloaded this app. So simply click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.